Good day to all of us. This is Big Joe Auto Diagnostics. I want to show you how you can remove a knock sensor from a 2GR engine. So you're needing some couple of tools like the plier, the 12 combination, the Allen key sets, the screwdriver, and also the magnet bolt picker and the 10 long extension. Before starting any work, endeavor to take out the batteries. You can see the positive terminal is out, but the negative is still there, still okay. So this cover will be taken out. Then I'll be removing this intake inlet box, taking the Allen's key around here, taking out the inlet box also. So when this is out, then I'll be having access to it around the combustion area. So the snorkel box is out. Likewise, also I'm bringing this now out. Now you can see that is the combustion area inside. So this is the combustion area. So this side is a delicate side, so I will have to cover it so that something or any tool or anything don't fall into it. If it's going to fall into it, it's going to be staying on the piston, and when this vehicle starts without that stuff being removed, it will cause internal damage in the engine, even with a lot of pinging sound because of it. So the inlet manifold is out. So now the next thing to do is to remove the fuel rail lines. Remove this 12 and the other 12, then bring it out. Then I'll be removing this inlet chamber also to get access to the knock sensor below. So the combustion chamber is taken outside, so I will have to close up this side also and get access to the knock sensor. Here you can see this is bank 1, so I'm going to check for bank 2, check for the sensors and check the wirings. I've now slackened the knock sensor. So this is the knock sensor for this engine, connected to the body of the engine to feel vibrations and send this signal to the engine. So the knock sensor is out of place, out from its position. So the fault for this was not actually the knock sensor, but it was the knock sensor circuit. So I'll be checking the circuit out to see if it is not being eaten by rodents. Then if that is eliminated, then I'll get this cleaned up and have that ground, that block side abrased so that it can get a grip contact and socket it back. This is how you remove your knock sensor from a 2GR engine. Big Joe Auto Diagnostics out.